Hey Procraftinators! Today I am participating in a 10-minute cards challenge hop. So that means that we have to create a card in 10 minutes or less. We can have some prep done. So I've got my card panel here, I've got my stamps in my platform, I've got a sentiment strip die cut so we can do some die cutting. I've got my card base off to the side, but we can't do any stamping, coloring, ink blending, that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get started. This is put on by Courtney Kreber from her card making. Whoops, let's start the timer. From her Courtney's card making hop groups. I will have that linked in my description box below. So if you are a creator, if you have a YouTube channel or a blog, you might want to be in that group if you would like to collaborate and be part of some hops. The link to the next person in this hop will also be in my description box below, so be sure to check that out so you can continue to hop along. I am using, where is my Versamark? There it is. I am using the Altenew Life is Beautiful stamp set. I'm just using the flowers from the stamp set. There's also a vase and some stems and that kind of stuff, but I don't have time to mess around with all that today. So I have prepped my card panel with an anti-static powder tool. We're going to ink it up with some Versamark, stamp it, and I've got some stamped off the side here so it kind of looks like some pattern paper. If I had more time, I would definitely stamp some more in some of those blank areas, but I don't have time to mess around with all that today. Set that aside. And I'm going to turn on my heat gun that's over here. Hopefully it won't be too loud. I've got some Ranger clear embossing powder here that I'm going to sprinkle on. Looks good. I always make a huge mess with my embossing powder. So we're going to wipe that up. Oh, I do have some flakies here. Alright, now it looks good. Right. Then I have got mustard seed, ripe persimmon, and festive berries. Hopefully, alright. That is dry. We did get that all the way right. Yep. We're going to ink blend this on here real quick. This is Bristol Smooth paper. And I cut it to 4 by 5 1/4 so I could have a nice white border on my card. And I'm going to try to ink blend as fast as I possibly can. So I'm curious, have any of you that aren't participating in this hop done a 10-minute card challenge? Do you think you could make a card in 10 minutes or less? Because I'm telling you right now, it's not easy. It's not as easy as one would think. Where is my... Alright, this is kind of small, but it's gonna work. Oh no, big fingerprint in the middle. That's just my luck. Let's get a bigger piece. I am getting fingerprints everywhere. You know, it's not like I'm not a hot mess anyway, but then put a timer on me. That's just gonna make things even more disastrous. Cover up those fingerprints. Super quick like. Super quick like. There we go. Fingerprints gone. All right. I'll clean up my inky mess or I'll get it all over my card base. 'Cause that's how I roll. All right. I got some homemade shimmer spray here. I'm just gonna... it goes everywhere except where I want it to go. Dab up a little bit of the excess here so my card's not sopping wet. Where's my heat? There it is. All right. Card base. Check. Glue. Check. Make sure it's going the right way. Yes, it is. Hey, look at that. It's even somewhat straight. Yay me! All right, sentiment. Memento Tuxedo black ink. Look at that. Good to go. And my foam tape, the backing is really horrible to deal with, so I took it off first. And let's go something like that. Cut off the excess. Oh my goodness, I have time to stamp an inside sentiment. Look at that! Boom! I have to take some of these off. I didn't think I'd have time. Ow! Hot heat gun. Let's go something like that. I have the inside sentiment, I just didn't think I'd have time. Nor did I have room. Oh my god, let's get it up, right side up. There we go. You know what? Maybe even put one of these inside, these flowers on the inside. Memento Tuxedo black ink for the win. Look at that, guys. A 10-minute card. Shut up. My camera's not focusing. There we go. Let's see if I can maybe get the shimmer. There we go. It's not the best stamped inside card. It's a little crooked, but hey, I got it stamped. Alright, don't forget the link to the next person is in the description box below, and have a great day.